Hello, first graders, and welcome to another social studies job. Our target skill for today is I can give examples of how people save natural resources. So, from our video, do you remember the 3 R's on how you can save our Earth's natural resources? Because something about a natural resource is once it's gone, it's very hard to get back. A lot of times we run out, we do not have any more. So we're going to add this to our vocabulary dictionary. So if you do not have your dictionary, go ahead and pause the video and get it. Our word that we are adding to our dictionary today is recycle. You say it, recycle. Make something old into something new. When you put something into the recycling bin, it is taken away to make something new. They can take old paper and cardboard boxes to make new paper and new boxes. That is recycling the material. Maybe you have recycled something at home. Maybe you have an old toy that broke and you thought, I can build something with this, and you turn it into a brand new toy. That means you have recycled it. Go ahead and draw a picture to show recycling in your vocabulary dictionary. All right, your social studies job for today, boys and girls, is going to be to create this foldable. So what you can do is you can take the big paper and fold it in half and then cut to make flaps. What you're going to do then is you're going to color the pictures, cut them out, and then glue them under the word that it matches. For example, this is a picture of water running out of the sink. Can we reduce our use of water? That means use less water. Can we reuse water that we've already used? Or can we recycle, take old water and make it new water? Which one makes the most sense? For water, we will try to reduce our use of water, which means little things like not keeping the sink running while we're brushing our teeth, and taking shorter showers. That is something that we can do to save our Earth's resources. So take a look at the pictures. Is it something that you should reduce your use of, reuse again, or recycle? Send it away to create something new. All right, boys and girls, have fun, and I'll see you next time.